Many Canadians have paid into the system for many, many years, and they're not getting back the care that they deserve. So they're looking elsewhere. They're looking for someplace else. In Canada, since COVID, everything got set back for all the Canadians 2 or 3 years. So now the waiting times for a total knee replacement, a total hip replacement, it's taking 3, 4 years, 5 years. And if you're 70 or 75, I mean, all of those, every year counts so much. And you want to have quality of life. So what Orthopedic offers is it gives people back their mobility. It gives people back their independence. It helps build up their self-esteem again because they're not depending on others to care for them. The problem that we have in Canada is, even though they do have good doctors and good hospitals, and my dad was Canadian. I was born and raised in Mexico from an American mom and I'm from Canadian dad. I have a lot of respect for every culture, every country. I feel that all the many Canadians have paid into the system for many, many years, and they're not getting back the care that they deserve. So they're looking elsewhere. They're looking for someplace else. Well, they're coming to Mexico. It's another option that they can consider. Your coordinators do a great job about making a patient feel at ease about coming to a different country, because medical tourism is all about that. It's all about being cared for in another country, another culture, but being at home, being away from home. The medical tourism is not just treating a patient for their medical needs. It's sharing with them an experience, sharing with them that there is opportunities out there where they don't have to suffer the rest of their lives with a problem that has not been solved back home.
Hi, I'm Dina. I came from Edmonton, Alberta, down to see Dr. Max for hip surgery. My experience here has been surprisingly wonderful. The people are absolutely fabulous. They work very hard to accommodate everything and every need.
Hi, I am Marge Weeb from Canada. I had 2 discs replaced in my neck by Dr. Max and his team, and they are wonderful people. They give you all the care that you need. Very wonderful, great experience.
My name is Dean Seeley. I'm from Sterling, Alberta, Canada, down in southern Alberta. I had a previous knee replacement about 10 years ago at home, but the care here was far beyond what I expected. I had such good care in the hospital. I'd highly recommend this. It's very professional and very thorough. We have very much enjoyed our time here.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.